part ng speech ng former Senator Leila de Lima na nagpapaalala ng martial law at EJK na ipinatupad ng dalawang presidente na si Marcos Sr. at si Rodrigo Duterte.
Nationalization of the majority can change into one of equal opportunities overnight. This simply does not happen. One builds a future brick by brick in a painstaking process we call democracy. Twice we already experimented with the authoritarian method, from 1972 to 1986, and most recently from 2016 to 2022. If we have learned anything from these experiments, it is that we cannot issue a blank check to a single leader to change the country for us, even if he promises to do it in 6 months, and especially if he promises to do it in 6 months.
Pag senior citizen kang nakikinig, maalala mo talaga ang martial law sa panahon ni Presidente Marcos Sr. at drug war naman sa panahon ni Presidente Duterte. Sa mga biktima nito na hanggang ngayon ay hindi pa nagkakaroon ng hustisya, kawawa ang kanilang mga kamag-anak.